Okay, good evening children. We completed lecture number 28 up to lecture number 28 in acids and bases. Now what we are going to enter to the lecture number 29, that is the what preparation of baking soda and uses of baking soda. Preparation of baking soda and uses of what baking soda. Now let we discuss. Today what I will teach only towards the 10th standard only. I don't want to go to what so intermediate or degree standard. So that means what we have what different preparations at what intermediate and degree standard. Here what we are going to discuss just for examination point of view, uses are very important. So that's why I teach what with this will complete within a 2 or 3 minutes, or most probably it may be completed in the 5 minutes lecture. So that's why now let me enter into lecture number 29, baking soda. So what is the formula of baking soda? The formula of baking soda is what NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, or it may also called as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is used this is prepared by using in what by using ammonia, carbon dioxide and water vapor and as well as what sodium chloride, aqueous sodium chloride. These are the what raw materials in order to prepare baking soda. By which method? Which method is what Solvay method. By which method we are going to prepare? In Solvay method. In Solvay method. How we prepared in Solvay method? Whenever this ammonia and carbon dioxide water or reacts with each other, we will get as what ammonium bicarbonate. What we will get? Ammonium bicarbonate. When ammonia is treated with carbon dioxide and water vapor, we will get as what ammonium bicarbonate. This ammonium bicarbonate, this what ammonium bicarbonate, when it is treated with what sodium chloride, when it is treated with what sodium chloride, so this ammonium is replaced by sodium and we will get as what sodium bicarbonate plus ammonium chloride is formed, plus what ammonium chloride is formed. In such a way we prepare what sodium bicarbonate. In which method? Solvay method. In which method we are prepared? In Solvay method we are prepared. So now what uses of baking soda? Uses of what NaHCO3. Uses of what baking soda. What are the uses of baking soda? Let me discuss. So it is used as what baking material. That means what baking chemical. Baking chemical means it is used to bake the food items like what bread and what cake. Bread and cake in order to get what spongy material, in order to get what spongy nature, in order to get what spongy nature, we are used what this sodium bicarbonate as what baking soda. So what will happens, why it will what how it will get the spongy nature to the material? That means what whenever this baking soda is added to the food material and we prepared one, so slurry like material we will get. So this what food material, and we are added what some quantity of what sodium bicarbonate. Whenever we are added some quantity of sodium bicarbonate, while we are heating, while we are what baking or while we are heating, it is decomposed and forms what sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water vapor are formed. Sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water vapor are formed. So whenever carbon dioxide is formed at the what outside just it will what escapes outside, it is what escaped. But the at the internal positions, if the carbon dioxide is formed, the carbon dioxide is what escaped like this. If carbon dioxide is formed, it is escaped like this. So carbon dioxide is escaped. In such a way what will happen, some way is formed, some route is formed. So this will be happens as what holes which are present, holes are formed in this what baking material. While it is going, so if this is the one hole, 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 this is the one hole. So in such a way what is it? It is escaped out. While it is escaping out, so it will forms what a road like material, a road like way is formed, a hole like way is formed, such that what it is forms what spongy material. Now in examinations, so that means what in polytechnic and what TSRJC examinations, if what some extra concept may be asked. Baking soda means it is not only just a chemical of sodium bicarbonate. It is the mixture of sodium bicarbonate and sodium potassium tartarate mixture. Sodium bicarbonate and sodium potassium tartarate mixture is called as what? Baking soda. Actually in baking soda these two chemicals are present. What are the chemical? Sodium bicarbonate and sodium potassium tartarate are present. So these are the what about the concepts which are used, which are what regarding about what baking soda preparation and uses of what baking soda. Uses of baking soda is very important towards the examinations. Next one, some more uses. Let we take it is used as what antacid. It is used as what? Antacid. What is meant by antacid? The substance which will works against to the acid. Against to the acid means it will neutralize the what acid which is present in our stomach. So it is used as what? Antacid tablet. Antacid tablet or antacid material. Antacid material. Next one, it is used to prepare. It is what used as what? Antiseptic. Mild antiseptic. It is used as what? Mild antiseptic. Mild what? Antiseptic. It is used as what? Mild antiseptic. And the major important is it is used in fire extinguishers. Fire what? Extinguishers. Fire extinguishers. It is used in what? Fire extinguishers. In fire extinguishers, what will happen, whenever what sodium bicarbonate reacts with what? HCl or H2SO4 acids. In fire extinguisher, how it is present? This is the what? Let you take the cylinder. So half of the portion is filled with what? Acid, and half of the portion is filled with what? Sodium bicarbonate. A small rod like rod is present in between this one. So at the middle. So if we this rod goes to the downward, this HCl is what? Enter into the sodium bicarbonate, such that what? Chemical reaction will take place and carbon dioxide gas is released. That carbon dioxide gas, when it is exposed onto the fire, so the fire will be stopped. So this carbon dioxide is called as what? Pyrene gas. Carbon dioxide is what? Put off the flame. Carbon dioxide is what? Put off the flame. So that's why it is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in fire extinguishers. So these are the what about the uses of baking soda and whatever the preparation of baking soda. So now let me stop this lecture number 29 concept.